Homeschool TV. Listen, speak, read, and write. A complete e-school project. Subscribe us and click on bell button for more videos. We focus on helping kids. Watch, listen, speak, read, and write effectively. Let us start.
Unit number 4, Counting in Numbers.
Watch, listen, and speak. 1. It's number 1. 1 duck. 2. It's number 2. 2 oranges. 3. It's number 3. 3 dolls. 4. It's number 4.
4 strawberries.
5. It's number 5. 5 apples. 6. It's number 6. 6 butterflies. 7. It's number 7. 7 fish. 8. It's number 8. 8 mangoes. 9. It's number 9. 9 balloons. 10. It's number 10. 10 pears. Let us review the lesson.
Now read the numbers one by one.
1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Homeschool TV. Listen, speak, read, and write. A complete e-school project. Subscribe us and click on bell button for more videos. Join us, follow us, and do not forget to like and share our videos on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, Twitter, and Google. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.